Good morning. Today I have a 2023 GMC 1500 Denali. This has the Duramax 3.0 turbo diesel. Has a lift, 35-inch tires, crew cab, every feature possible. Navigation, brown interior, the new display. Absolutely a ton of room. Quick charging for your phone. Trailer brakes, heated and cooled seats. Sunroof. One owner, only 2,500 miles. Here we have the Bose power running boards. In the back we have the new gates with the steps completely protected. The tonneau cover folds and goes into the little hatch there. You have your new step down cargo step, which makes it really nice. You got this button that just does this, then you can open, and now you got a step and handles. Come and check out this extremely clean one owner 2023 GMC Sierra Denali at 5 Star Motor Group, 2595 Ridgeway Avenue, Rochester, New York. Or give us a call for a test drive at 585-685-1112. It doesn't get any cleaner than this.